doing? Welcome back to the channel, and I hope we're doing well. Right, so today's video I'm going to be growing my potatoes, guys. My potatoes. These potatoes here are called shallots. They are the potatoes I tend to grow every year because I like the result that I get from them. So I'm just going to be showing you the process, guys, of how I'm going to be doing that, how I'm going to be growing my potatoes. As you can see, my bed has already been, amended. I've put fresh compost on there. So now it's time to put the potatoes in there, guys. All right, so first thing I'm going to do, all right, and by the way, these potatoes, I got them from Wilco's, right? Is where I normally get my potatoes every year. Alright guys, so let's open these up. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is what I tend to do is I tend to lay the potatoes down to roughly where I'm going to be putting them. Here I've got a volunteer from last year. I'm just going to let him grow. It's going to be a shallot because that's what I was growing here last year. So guys, I'm going to roughly try to put these like 1.5 feet apart. And here I've got some beetroots that was growing. I'm not ready to pick them up, guys, pull them up yet, guys. So I'm going to leave them and just let the potato grow alongside them. Alright, so that looks about right. Let's count how many I've got there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 potatoes, guys. Nice round number. Alright guys, so now I'm going to try to put this down 3 inches. So, you could just say roughly the length of the trowel to about here. Alright, so from here to about here, guys. And I like to repeat that no dig does not mean you don't have to dig a hole to put your potatoes in, guys. It just means you don't disturb the soil too much. And I've left my hand shovel at home, so I'm going to have to use the spatula here. So I'm just going to be putting it down like this, right? And then just cover it, guys. Cover it just like that. Alright, so we're going to do one more. Yes, guys, so we'll just cover it like that, guys. So I'm not really putting it deep because these potatoes, alright guys, so the reason why I like to grow these are second early potatoes. They're also like a determinate potato, so they all kind of grow all in the same spot. It's not like a main crop potato where you got to keep mounting them up. With this, you just put it down, and then maybe say, halfway through, you might see a few potatoes sticking up. Then you can just put a bit of compost on top of it, guys. So it might not look like I'm putting the potatoes down deep, but in no dig, they don't really need to be that deep. And I'm just gonna basically repeat the process, guys. It's not really hard when it comes to growing the potatoes. Once you find the spot where you're gonna put them, just put them down and you let them do their thing, guys. This will be the last one. Alright, so I just want to show you a quick close-up of how these potatoes actually look. Alright guys, I just want to show you a close-up of what the potatoes look like. These have like a yellow skin, and they have kind of like a yellowy kind of golden meat on the inside. They're like a waxy flavor. I absolutely enjoy eating these guys, Also, I just want to say thank you to the new subscribers that we've had. Guys, thanks for the support. Any returning viewers that's coming along, thanks for the support. And on that, I want to say live well, together we grow.